Wagner private military company's position has been hit by rocket fire. Telegram channels close to Wagner have reported. According to information circulated on Telegram, the position of the Wagner members was struck by the Russian army. Head of Wagner Yevgeny Prigozhin has blamed the Russian Defense Ministry for the attack, saying that a large number of group members have lost their lives as a result of the strike. Threatening the Ministry of Defense, Prigozhin said in his Telegram channel that the next move would be by Wagner.
Они все 200, блядь, ебаный в рот. Слушай, было там больше, от 2, что ли, 3, сколько? Ебать. Ебать. Пидорасы. Брат, подожди. Ой.